Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. My name is Afsha. I am IELTS instructor and trainer. Today we discuss IELTS speaking because speaking is most important part of our communication. Because watching this video, like and subscribe this channel and watch full video. This video very fruitful for all students. Speaking through idioms, words and phrases. Idiom: give someone the green light. To give permission, I was given the green light to start this new project. When we use individually, words have different meanings, but we use in different sentences or idioms, words have different meanings. So the part of communication, and you should understand all the words and phrases and idioms. In the red: to a money, to not have money. Sorry, I can't afford it. I am the red. I am in the red. Because you do not have enough money about your demand. This is phrase and this is idiom. Mostly we use in our speaking, use idioms and phrases. Out of the blue, something that happened unexpectedly yesterday. Out of the blue, he asked me to marry him. This is your example. Like we do not expect any situation, and suddenly in any condition in front of you. So working like a dog, working hard. I have been working like a dog. Like we are very hard working and we work very hardly. So we use this idiom, working like a dog. If you do not want a complete sentence, you are speak just idiom during your communication. Above her pay grade, meaning a job that someone senior should do. Example: the job is above her pay grade. You are given example like that. You are understand all the words and phrases, and you do not confuse about individually words. Stuck in the rat race, meaning stuck in a boring routine. Example: we work 9 to 5. We are stuck in the rat race. If you do not continue any work and you are spend your time free, so you feel boring. In this condition, you should use stuck in the